35 million Americans are embracing intermittent fasting, aiming to yield the incredible benefits like enhanced brain function, rapid weight loss, and increased longevity. This health revolution is not just a trend, but a lifestyle that has been proven to have profound impacts on our overall well-being. However, there's a hidden mistake that many are making right at the crucial moment they break their fast. Despite being diligent with fasting schedules, you might be unknowingly sabotaging your efforts by consuming certain foods that undermine the benefits of fasting. This common misstep might be the very obstacle standing between you and the maximum results you seek. Welcome back to Shape Squad, where today's revelation could be a game changer for your health journey. We are going to delve into the topic of the 10 harmful foods to avoid on intermittent fasting for maximum results. You're here because you're committed to a healthier, fitter life, but certain foods might be stealthily undermining your efforts. It's not just about when you eat, but also what you eat, and that's what we're going to explore today. In this video, I'll unveil these culprits and explain how they hinder the remarkable advantages of intermittent fasting. You'll discover not just what to avoid, but why steering clear of these foods can significantly boost your fasting results. By avoiding these foods, you'll experience accelerated weight loss, a surge in energy, and an overall uplift in your well-being. It's all about making informed choices, and that's what Shape Squad aims to empower you with. Knowledge is power, and we're about to supercharge your dietary wisdom, so stick around till the end because every second of this video is packed with crucial insights that could transform your approach to intermittent fasting. We're about to embark on an eye-opening journey together, one that will redefine your understanding of fasting and nutrition. Starting at number 10, we have processed meats. These may seem like an easy protein fix, but they are often loaded with unhealthy additives and high levels of sodium. This can lead to water retention and bloating, which is certainly not what you want after a fasting period. Moreover, the high saturated fats in these meats can raise your cholesterol levels, posing a risk to your heart health. Next on the list at number 9 are high-sugar cereals. While they might be a quick breakfast option after a long fasting period, they are usually packed with refined sugars and minimal fiber. Consuming these can cause a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels, leading to a crash later on and leaving you feeling lethargic. Over time, this can also lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Coming in at number 8, we have artificial sweeteners. These might seem like a guilt-free alternative to sugar, but don't be fooled. Although they don't contribute calories, they can trigger cravings for more sweets and disrupt your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Disrupting your gut health can hinder the detoxification process that occurs during fasting, reducing the benefits of your efforts. And finally, at number 7, we find fried foods. Who doesn't love a good French fry or crispy chicken wing? But these foods are high in trans fats, which can increase your bad LDL cholesterol levels while lowering your good HDL cholesterol. This can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease and stroke. Plus, the high-calorie content of these foods can easily lead to weight gain, counteracting the weight loss benefits of intermittent fasting. It seems like some of our favorite foods might not be the best companions for our fasting journey. But wait, there's more. Halfway through our list and we're just getting started. At number 6, we have alcohol. Yes, the occasional glass of wine or beer might seem harmless, but did you know that alcohol can seriously disrupt your fasting efforts? It's metabolized quickly by your body, providing an immediate source of energy that interrupts the fat-burning process initiated by fasting. Plus, it can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep patterns, both of which are critical for optimal health and weight loss. Moving on to number 5, we have full-fat dairy products. Now, while dairy can be an excellent source of protein and calcium, full-fat versions are high in calories and can quickly tip your energy balance in the wrong direction. Remember, one of the keys to successful intermittent fasting is maintaining a calorie deficit. Consuming high-calorie foods like full-fat dairy can make this challenging. And now to number 4, fast food. It might be convenient, but fast food is often loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and an excess of sodium. These can lead to inflammation, high blood pressure, and other health issues that could derail your intermittent fasting results. Not to mention, fast food is generally low in nutrients, so you're not getting the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive during fasting periods. These 3 foods, alcohol, full-fat dairy, and fast food, might be tempting, especially when you're breaking a fast and your body is crying out for quick energy. But remember, the goal of intermittent fasting isn't just about when you eat, it's also about what you eat. Consuming these foods can disrupt your metabolic state, hinder your weight loss efforts, and even lead to long-term health issues. The next time you're about to break your fast, think twice about what you're putting into your body. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods that will nourish you and support your fasting goals. We're closing in on the top 3. Can you guess what they might be? We're down to the top 3. At number 3, we have processed snacks. When you're fasting, it's only natural to crave a bite or two. Processed snacks may seem like a convenient and satisfying choice, but they are often packed with sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. These snacks lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling lethargic and sluggish. This cycle can disrupt your body's natural rhythm and negate the benefits you've gained from your fast. Moving on to number 2, we have refined grains. These are grains that have been stripped of their nutrient-rich germ and fiber-filled bran, leaving only the starchy endosperm. Foods made from these grains, such as white bread, pasta, and rice, can cause a sudden surge in blood sugar levels. This not only disrupts your body's insulin response, but also leaves you feeling hungry sooner. The result? You're more likely to overeat, hindering your weight loss goals and the overall success of your intermittent fast. Finally, at the top spot, we find sugary beverages. Drinks laden with sugar such as sodas, energy drinks, and even certain types of coffee and tea are a definite no-no during intermittent fasting. They provide empty calories and can cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to a variety of health issues including diabetes and heart disease. Moreover, these drinks do little to quench your hunger and may even increase it, making your fast that much harder to maintain. So, there you have it. The top 10 foods to avoid while practicing intermittent fasting. Knowledge is your greatest weapon in this journey towards a healthier, fitter you. By avoiding these foods, you're not just amplifying the results of your intermittent fast, but also paving the way for a more nourished and vibrant life. Remember, the key to a successful fast isn't just about when you eat, but also about what you eat. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to maximizing the benefits of your intermittent fast. Before making any significant changes in your eating pattern, it's crucial to consult your personal health advisor. Each of us is unique, with our own individual health needs and goals. What works wonders for one person may not be the best choice for another. It's important to remember that the journey to optimal health isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires personalized advice and guidance from professionals who understand your unique health profile. Intermittent fasting, when done correctly, can lead to some truly remarkable health benefits. But as we've discovered today, there are certain foods that can undermine the effectiveness of our fasting efforts. The 10 foods we've discussed have the potential to derail your fasting progress, hindering those incredible benefits you're striving for. We've taken this journey together, uncovering some of the hidden culprits in our diets. Now it's your turn to take action. Pay attention to what you're consuming when you break your fast. Make informed choices. And remember, the key to success in intermittent fasting, like any health endeavor, lies in consistency and commitment. We'd love to hear about your experiences with intermittent fasting. Have you noticed any changes since you started avoiding these harmful foods? Do you have any other tips or insights to share with the Shape Squad community? Your feedback and experiences are invaluable. They help us create content that is relevant and beneficial to all of us in our quest for better health. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button. Share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Shape Squad. We're dedicated to bringing you the most informative and useful content to support you in your health journey. Remember, Shape Squad isn't just a channel, it's a community. Together, we can empower each other to make healthier choices and live our best lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shape Squad for more informative and useful videos related to overall health and wellness. We are here to empower you in your health journey. Thank you for watching.